Okay, what I'm going to do is show you how quick it is to create an expense in the QuickBooks Online mobile app. First up, we click on the plus icon, bottom of the screen, click on expense, and you can see an expense option will come up. We're going to click on the photo icon and take a photo, because I'm going to take a photo of my receipt. Great. So I've got that. Information will come across. I'm going to use that photo. Just got to select the amount, which was $12.30, how I paid for it, what kind of expense this is. So this is referring to your chart of accounts. So I'm just going to find the relevant chart of account here. I'm going to put general and administrative. What is the tax? So the tax associated. I'm going to save. Okay, now that's saving. And voila, expense created in under a minute and a half. How good.